Hey guys, so let's quickly talk about the Coolpad Cool30, Coolpad's latest budget smartphone, which is also the successor of the Coolpad Cool20 and the Cool20 Pro. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it. So the Cool30 has a sleek design and comes in two colors, black and blue. It has a thickness of 8.5 millimeters and a weight of 199.6 grams, which makes it relatively slim and lightweight. It may feel comfortable to hold and carry around. The device features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels, which provides decent visual clarity for everyday use. The phone also has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The Coolpad Cool30 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which is a mid-range chipset known for its decent performance and power efficiency. It may handle day-to-day tasks such as browsing, social media, and light gaming with ease, but may struggle with more resource-intensive tasks. The device is available in three configurations: 4GB RAM with 64GB or 128GB internal storage, and 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. In the camera department, the Cool30 features dual rear camera setup with a 48MP primary sensor and a 13MP secondary sensor. The front camera is 5MP, which is used for taking selfies and video calls. The device comes with a 4500 mAh battery, which may provide decent battery life for regular use, and it supports 10 watts charging. The Coolpad Cool30 runs on an unspecified version of Android operating system with CoolOS 2.0 custom skin on top, which may provide a customized user interface and additional features. As for connectivity, the Coolpad Cool30 includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless connectivity, but it does not support NFC for contactless payments and other NFC enabled features. Now, as for the price of the Coolpad Cool30, like I mentioned earlier, the device comes in three configurations: the 4GB RAM with 64GB storage and 4GB RAM with 128GB storage cost $102 and $117 respectively, while the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant costs $131. So as you can see guys, the Coolpad Cool30 offers a decent set of specifications for its price range, with a sleek design, mid-range processor, multiple storage configurations, and a dual rear camera setup. However, the HD Plus resolution, 60Hz refresh rate, and lack of NFC support may be considered limitations for users who prioritize higher display resolution, smoother scrolling, and NFC enabled features. If users are interested in these features, then they may want to go for a smartphone that is way costlier than the Coolpad Cool30. That's it for the video guys. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Coolpad Cool30, so feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.